Hi, I'm Stephen Goldstein with Goldstein and Handworker. On today's video, I'm going to talk about a particular portion of a case that occurs after you've been arrested for felony drug charges in New Jersey, and that's called the Pre-Indictment Conference. It's called the Pre-Indictment Conference in some counties. There are different names in other counties, but the basis of what's supposed to happen is the same. At this point, we're assuming that you've been arrested, or somebody that you love or a friend has been arrested for drug possession with intent to distribute, and they are out of jail on bail, or they're still in jail because they can't make bail. What is generally the next step? In New Jersey, in order to bring a formal criminal action against a defendant or someone who's arrested, there is a grand jury process where the prosecutor will submit facts of the case to a grand jury, and the grand jury will decide whether to indict somebody or not indict somebody. If the grand jury decides to indict somebody, that means that they think there's enough evidence just to show that a criminal prosecution should occur. However, from the time of someone's arrest until that happens, normally the criminal courts will arrange for a court appearance to try and resolve the matter very early. And that's what happens at the Pre-Indictment Conference. And the Pre-Indictment Conference is an odd thing, because normally the lawyer does not have the discovery or doesn't have all the paperwork or all the facts. However, the prosecution will be making an offer to resolve the case before the lawyer has all the facts. So first, it's very important that the lawyer meet with the criminal client to find out the facts of the case the best they can, and if possible, to try and obtain this discovery from the prosecutor, so the lawyer can properly counsel you as to whether there's an offer that you should take or shouldn't take. Now, generally what happens is the prosecutor will make an offer to you, or they may not, but if they do make an offer, theoretically that's going to be the best offer that they're going to make on your case to resolve it. So it's a critical point in the process as to whether or not you should take that deal. You should discuss with your lawyer the pros and cons of taking the plea or taking the deal at the Pre-Indictment Conference, or if you feel it's worth it, to press ahead with the case. The Pre-Indictment Conference is a one-time thing. Maybe it could happen twice if the lawyer asks for an adjournment, but it's usually a one-time thing. After that happens on the day in court, what will happen is, if the case is not resolved, it will then be sent to the grand jury to see whether you're going to be indicted or whether you're not going to be indicted. If you have any other questions, you can call me at the number below or send me an email at the email address below. I hope this was helpful to give you a little insight as to the beginning of the process for a felony criminal case in New Jersey. Thanks for watching.